Everyone's been talking about how much money you can make off a Vinted monitor. We're here to test it out in today's video. Now, there's been a lot of stick online about people using a Vinted monitor. You can make thousands a month. You can do this doing a Vinted monitor. You can pick up 200 items every single day. Let's put this to the test and actually use a Vinted monitor for a couple hours on a live cop. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go onto the PC and let's do some live cops. So on the PC, ready for this Vinted live cop. So let's see how we get on. We're going to be using my Vinted monitor to see how we do. What's great about this is the fact that you can actually create your own custom Vinted channels. So you can actually set what prices, what brands, everything you want to see personally. So you only get notified for stuff you want to buy. We're going to be looking at some different stuff today. We're going to be trying some surfwear brands. Rather than going for my normal shoes and streetwear stuff, we're actually going to be trying surfwear stuff. There's a lot of margin to be made, and hopefully it shows that you can make money off different niches. It doesn't have to just be shoes or trainers to make money off. Let's see how we get on. That looks decent. Quicksilver, £8. Go on then. This is a varsity jacket here. Quicksilver varsity jackets tend to usually go for the £30 to £40 mark, but it really does depend. If we were too slow, we literally just hopped on. I'm not sure if we're gonna get that one. We will see. Just using the auto buy just so it buys it quicker. Yes, we're all good. Purchase. £12 for a varsity jacket is actually crazy. I will try and find some similar sales from stuff that I've sold previously for these items, but we should be looking at around the £40 to £60 mark on a Quicksilver varsity jacket. I mean, the retail alone is a lot of money. Back to searching. Quicksilver long sleeve, £15, a little bit expensive, but I think it's decent. It says very good condition. We've given it a buy. We were a little bit late. Let's see if we get this. £15. Again, Quicksilver, very, very high in demand product. 1 minute, let me just double check. There we go, decent. £18 total, £18.74. Again, it's quite a lot for a t-shirt. However, Quicksilver is a brand that a lot of people like, so we should be aiming to move that between the £30 to £45 mark. Again, you'll see me buy a lot of Quicksilver, hopefully in this video. But yeah, let's move on to the next cop. That is a nice piece. That is a nice piece. Any marks? All good. Quicksilver large knitted sweater. That's gonna be gone. That's gonna be gone. What's this though? Men's O'Neill t-shirt, £7.50. No. Hopefully we got that. Cotton knitted jumper, Quicksilver men's, only for £10. Yes, we have. That's a great cop. Quicksilver men's jumper in a size large. We should be moving that for at least the £40 to £50 mark. It retails alone for over £100. Doesn't look like there's any marks or anything, so I'm actually really happy with that cop. Probably the best cop so far. We should be getting £50 to £60 mark. I'll try and find some photos of similar stuff that we have sold before. Hopefully, should be all good on that. £35. Mountain equipment down puffer jacket. Again, it's down. If you know puffer jackets, you'll know that down material is a lot more expensive and a lot warmer. It's what a lot of high-end brands actually use. Looks in good nick. Whether we got it or not, different story. We have been a bit slow there. I was daydreaming a little bit, but like still poofy, no marks. Mountain equipment, very high-end brand. Hopefully, let's have a look now. Yep, we're all good, but I just got to proceed to payment, but that's all good. £39 overall for a mountain equipment down puffer jacket. Hopefully, we should be getting minimum 70. Hopefully, looking around the £80 to £90 on that. It's a big puffer jacket, mountain equipment as well. Should be pretty good here. Now, this looks nice. Quicksilver Gore-Tex tentacle snowboard jacket, £30. Let me just check the photos on this. You've got to be careful with Gore-Tex stuff. A lot of fakes around, but that looks good, so I'm going to go for it. I'm risking it. We'll have a look at the photos properly in just a second. It looks in great condition. Used for a handful of snowboard trips. Yeah, it should be good. Size small. Decent, and we've got it. Gore-Tex Quicksilver technical snowboard jacket. Now again, this should retail for way above the £150 mark, so we should be looking to sell that for around £80 to £90. Really, really good. Probably our best pickup so far. That is £3 animal. Was that two £3 jackets? What's this? Animal £3? No. Animal again, but this looks nicer. £3. Let's try it. I think the long sleeves moves a little bit better for £3. You got to remember the shipping. £6.34. There we go. Happy days. Not a bad cop. I'll be honest, guys. I missed this cop. I pressed auto buy already. This is a decent jacket. Rip curl men's zip jacket. There we go. We got it. £8.44 is mental. That should be going for at least 25 to 35 quid on that one. Let's go. Keep trying to catch some more sales right now. Animal hoodie size large for £4. That's a cop. That's decent. £4. And he's got loads of 5-star reviews. Am I too slow? Now we got it. Decent. Animal hoodie size large. Animal hoodies usually move around the £30 to £40 mark. I should have some sales to show you of that as well, guys. Really nice cop there. Cheap, quick, happy days. Come on. This Quicksilver jumper's just popped up. Looks decent. £5 got to be a cop. It's fiver. It's literally a fiver. We'll do the checks after, but that looks decent. Yeah, £8.44 on a brand new, well, not a brand new, a used Quicksilver jacket. You really, jumper, sorry. You really can't complain. Just check the photos as well. It looks all good. That's going to be moving for at least £35 to £45 mark. Decent cop. And Quicksilver skiing trousers here. Photos look decent. Again, these sort of skiing trousers, Salopets, 50, 80 quid, hopefully. £10. We'll try it out. Bit more of a risky pricey one this is. I doubt someone else would have copped that, but it's worth a try. Again, should hopefully get 30 to 40 pounds. You're usually paying over 100 pounds for these. There we go, we got it. Decent. Happy days. Done. So, Quicksilver men's fleece jacket. Looks good. £10. That's a cop. Thank you very much. Let me just double check them photos. Yeah, decent. £13.69. Fleece jacket should be going for around the £50 mark on that one. Fleece jackets usually a lot more expensive than normal jackets, a lot more comfort and so on. So yeah, really nice cop there. Billabong long sleeve. £2. Go on then. Yes, please. Have I been too slow there? Billabong long sleeve t-shirt. £2. Photos look decent as well. Yeah, we got it. That is a mental one. £2 when it comes to £5.29 there altogether. That is a crazy cop, guys. Quicksilver t-shirt, £3. Go on then. Quicksilver t-shirt, £3. I don't know why everyone's listing so cheap at the moment. That's a crazy piece. Easy £15, £20, £6.34 paid altogether. We cannot complain. Again, you're seeing a lot of Quicksilver bought today, but trust me, I will show you some sales of Quicksilver. It moves like hotcakes. Sorry, oh, camera died, but we are back. I think I've missed this cop, but I've already pressed auto buy, but it's 2 No Fear t-shirts looking decent for what? The price of a couple quid? I think I got it. There we go. £11.59, 2 Quicksilver No Fear t-shirts. Really nice cop that is. Hopefully should be getting around £10 to £20 on each of them. So I am not complaining at all. Hello, Oakley Grey Zip. Cop in that quick time, £10. Please say we got that. That looks good. Looks in good condition. No complaints right here, chat. No complaints. And we got it. Happy days. Here are the cops so far. We're doing all right. Let's keep copping. I should just let it record, but Quicksilver jumper right here. We're going straight for that. It's cheap. It looks good. £25. You should be looking at £50 on this one. Again, Quicksilver jumpers move really well for us. As you can see, the auto buy has gone through there. Sorry, it was a little bit quick on that one. However, I literally pressed record and then copped it real quick. But yeah, really, really nice. £29. Really cannot complain on a Quicksilver hoodie right there. Remember, I was saying we're using my own Vinted monitor, KaiKicks Apprentice. You can actually join for only £5 for your first month. So if you like what you're seeing, get yourself inside the group. We have over 500 paying members purely for this Vinted monitor. We are the best around, fastest Vinted monitor, auto buy, everything you need, custom filters. Not many people supply that, so if you do want to join, check that link in the description, use code VINTED, and it'll only be £5 for your first month. Now, apart from that, that is just how it goes with Vinted Monitor. You sit down, have a session, you can pick up quite a lot, guys. One more thing I do ask from you guys, we're on the road to 20k subscribers. Hopefully we're gonna hit it this year, so please do subscribe to the channel. Any questions you have about the Vinted Monitor or Vinted reselling or anything to do with reselling, put it down in the comments. We are here to help you guys out. And finally, drop a like on today's video. It helps the algorithm, so we do really appreciate everyone. We are back to the regular uploads once every 3 days, so make sure that you are tuning in, subscribing, and thank you all for the support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.